Welcome back to my shop. Got an awesome show for you today. We're doing a Secret Santa gift exchange as a group of woodworking YouTubers. I have the great opportunity to make a box out of this. I have no idea what I'm making yet, but you'll see it when I see it. And actually, this is what it's going to look like in the end. And I am sending this box to Friday Workshop. They are a great YouTube channel. They do a lot of tool reviews and product builds. You should check them out. There's a link for them in the description. In the mail, I'm going to get this box. And since it's Secret Santa, I have no idea who sent it. It must have come from, oh, cool. I'll put a link for them in the description below too. So let's see what I can do with this bloodwood and apple and make a box. You may have guessed by now that I may not be making a box. Haha! Plans changed. Come up with something much more diabolical. I may make a box. But not with this. All right, should stay. I'm gonna do an inlay. I'm gonna put this in that. Bandsaw time. Got it. Stuff is so sticky. Magically. Like a glove. All right, awesome. Let's get over to the workbench and get some clamps and some glue. I don't have a workbench. Alrighty then. So here's where the magic happens. Couple of new toys I got in the shop. I got this silicone mat from somewhere. I don't know. I'll put a link down below where I got it. I got these the silly glue kit from Amazon. So these silicone brushes are supposed to replace all those cheap brushes that I've been getting from the store. Yeah, I think I'll use the little one. But I have choices now. All right. Another thing I recently got that I've been loving is these big old clamps. Got these from Taylor Tool Works or taytools.com. I did get an affiliate with them, or I am an affiliate with them. So I will drop my affiliate links in the description below. And if you click on those and buy any tools from them, it helps my channel out a little bit and helps me keep putting out great content. Another thing I'll throw out there is the glue bot. Got that on Amazon also. Still liking it. Was able to cut this big enough that I never have any plugs coming out, in there like I used to with the old bottles. Yeah, way too much glue is probably an okay thing right now. I will put affiliate links for all the stuff I got on Amazon down in the description below. And this pad, I don't remember if I got this one off Amazon or if I got it off the Facebook thing. But if I got, either way, I'll put the link. If it was on Amazon, I'll put my affiliate link there. Supposedly, the good thing about these silicone brushes is when you're done with them, you just let the glue dry on it, and then it peels off like glue on your hand. Okay, silicone mat, so I don't have to worry about squeeze out getting on that either. Okay, that felt pretty good. Normally I'd be happy with that. We apologize for this audio interruption. This audio interruption was brought to you by Craftsman, maker of fine air compressors that kick on when you don't want them to. It's tomorrow, so this should be dry. Who tightened these so tight? Who tightened these so tightly? Okay, these are clearly one block at this point. Back to the bandsaw.
Starting to look good.
So I was hoping to make it all from this one piece of apple, but as you just saw, I had this friction wedge started sliding by side to side. And by the time I got to the emergency stop, it had already cut across here. If I would have caught it a little sooner, I probably could have saved it. But other than making the stand really small, this piece of apple shot. So I did find this chunk of Baltic birch that I had. That section right there, we got the split here, but this section right here, I can mill that out of. So I'm going to take this over and joint one side. We'll throw it on, run the exact same program. And that should give us a pretty nice stand, despite the fact that it's not the same matching apple that matches the center of the saw. So, adapt and overcome, right?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
We're getting there.
New Year.
There we go. Last thing we need to do is put the name on it. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is Friday Workshop's logo. Once we get Friday's Workshop written there on the front. So decided to make them a display stand for their logo rather than a box. But I'll still make a box. So stay tuned. We still got a few more things to do before this is ready to ship. All right, a little bit of cleanup. So on this, we got to sand where I didn't quite get all the onion skin off and then clean up the edges a little bit. On this, I had some blowout on the edges, on the corners of these. So I think I'm going to round them down a little bit and then see how they look after a cleanup of just rounding them all down a little bit. I'm trying to keep true to the design of the logo, but I don't know if I just want to leave chipped teeth out there. We'll see how that plays out. Okay, I'm using 150 grit of these 3M pads. Love these pads, by the way. They're fantastic. That seems to be helping. That Baltic birch sure turned out pretty. Got a little bit of figuring in there, a little bit of detail in there in the wood. Overall, not looking too shabby. Still need to make a box though. Well, I figured this competition, or not competition, but this event was about making a box. So I figured I better make a box. Good thing I had a CNC. I don't know why some people think that CNC is not considered woodworking. This is totally woodworking. It's not cheating at all. Although one issue I knew was coming was this board had a split from about there to the end. I put a little bit of super glue in there hoping it would hold it. Turns out it did not, so I'll be gluing these 2 or 3 pieces back together. That's all right. Okay, I taped these and I did tabs. Because tabs give me the opportunity to break out my awesome Japanese pole saw. If you don't have one of these, I would definitely suggest getting one because they look awesome. They're pretty handy too, but they look awesome, and that's the reason to get one. All right, so we've got our box pieces. But before we get too far into this, let's make sure that this thing actually go together. Yeah, I think that's going to work. So, got to clean up all these tabs and get these glued together, the broken pieces and the non-broken pieces. That actually might work better. Now, I am not going for the most awesome box in the world here. If you haven't caught that, I'm going for a box to hold the logo that I made. Finally. There we go. So we got the logo, we got the box, but we're not done yet. Still need to do some stain or some finish on both of them. And I think we should do some laser work because in their logo it does say Friday workshop there. So I think we're gonna laser that on. And so we got some laser work and some finish to put on. But for now, I'm gonna do some more brainstorming on how we're gonna accomplish that, and we'll pick this up in a little while. All right, here we are at the end of the project. It is shipping time. This has got to go in the mail tomorrow. The logo, I feel, turned out fantastic. I'm really pleased with how the inlay worked, with the laser work in there and everything built there. The box itself didn't turn out too shabby. That poplar polished up nicely with that Williamsville wax, and the Friday Workshop and the Custom Creative Carvings logo worked out nicely on the top there. So I've shipped my box off, and I believe it's been received on the other end. We will wait to see how that is. I have put a link to his video down in the description, so check out Friday Workshop. Now, since I filmed the first part, I have found, and spoiler alert early on, that I got a package from Make with Jake. Fantastic channel. I love watching his stuff. I haven't even made a guitar, but I sat and watched him build a guitar, and now I want to make one. So he does a lot of really cool woodworking projects. Some of them are just really cool things like guitars. A lot of them are really practical. So I'd suggest you, if you haven't been over there, go check his channel out. Show him some love for sending me a box. So he's posted a video on that already. That's going to be linked in the description below. Let's see what Jake sent. So enough with the suspense. Got my trusty Havalon. I should not be using this for opening boxes. I should be using this for making dovetails. But I need a box open, not a dovetail right now. Drum roll, please. All right, I got a Make with Jake sticker. This is my first sticker that I've gotten from another woodworker or another YouTube channel. So now I have to find a place to put this. Thank you, Jake, for the sticker, and thanks for making it. So now I gotta find some more work. All right, no, I love it. I should actually get some stickers made so I could have sent that. Very, very well packaged, Jake. Whoa. Wow. That is some beautiful wood with some great miters. So what he's done is, well, go watch his video and you'll see what he's done, but there's got some very beautiful miters there. So center slides out. Wow, that is slick. And then there's some, I don't want to drop this. There's some bubble wrap here, and there's something in the box. Wow. I'm going to get some close-up pictures and put these in there, but this is gorgeous. So when I post this, the video of this build is going to be up. I still have to wait another 6 days until I get to see this build video. I want to see this build video. So this is a gorgeous box and a beautiful pen. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I am honored to be the recipient of your Secret Santa gift. Everybody else go check out the video Jake made, and let's click over and watch Friday Woodworks open the package I sent. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.